Hello everyone, I am Hema Sati Sharma, TGT Science. Students, we are discussing the chapter called Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Animals to Climate for class 7, and we have already discussed what is weather, how weather forecasting is done and how weather and season changed. We have also discussed the instruments which are required to measure the component of weather. Today we will be discussing climate. So before discussing climate, we should know what is weather, or we should let us recall what is weather. The short time atmospheric condition at a particular place and time with respect to temperature, relative humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called weather at that place. So it is clear that weather is a short-lived atmospheric condition. So weather is short-lived. Weather is never constant, it keeps changing. Weather can change from day to day, or weather can also change within a day. That is, in the morning it might be sunny, but in afternoon it can rain. So it is clear that weather is short-lived and weather keeps changing from day to day and within a day also. So let's see what is climate. Climate is the average weather which is taken over a long time. It is called climate. So climate is climate is atmospheric conditions which are there at a place for a long time, whereas weather are atmospheric conditions which are for the short time at that particular place. Now there are four main type of climates in the world. These are polar, tropical, temperate and desert. So I think it is clear now that climate is the atmospheric condition at a particular place for a long time, whereas weather is atmospheric condition at a particular place for a short time. For example, weather of a place keep changing. For example, if we speak about Himachal Pradesh, morning time it can be sunny and during afternoon it can rain. So weather has changed, but all in all the climate of Himachal Pradesh is cold, right? So at any point of time of the year, the climate will be cold only. So climate is cold while the weather keeps changing from time to time. Now the two regions of the earth with extreme climatic conditions are polar region and tropical region. So polar region, here you can see that this area is polar region. These are called poles, we all know. So this is polar region and this is tropical region, which is around equator. So here we can see the area which is indicated by blue is polar region. Then if we progress towards equator, the climate is continental, then temperate, then dry and then tropical. These are the different climates on the earth. If a place receives very little rainfall and the temperature is high throughout the year, we will say that climate of the place is hot and dry, because on an average throughout the year that place is receiving very little rainfall and the temperature is high. For example, Rajasthan in our country. So that Rajasthan is a place which is receiving very little rainfall throughout the year and the climate is also hot. So the climate of the Rajasthan is hot and dry. So whenever at any point of time of the year in Rajasthan, if you go, you will find that it is hot. For that matter, during winters also, Rajasthan is not as cold as normal northern region, right? So the place is hot and dry. For example, the temperature of Rajasthan is generally high throughout the year and it does not receive much rainfall. So we can say that Rajasthan is a hot and dry place. Now we will study about climate chart. Climate chart is the annual record of long-term average temperature and rainfall at a particular place. So here what we are doing, we are recording the average temperature and rainfall at a particular place for full 1 year. Like what was the average temperature in January and what was the average rainfall in January. Similarly for February, March and throughout the year. So annual record of long-term average temperature and rainfall at a particular place is called climate chart. Let us see what is the climate chart. Here you can see that this is the climate chart for Srinagar and Chennai. Here you can see that this is the annual record, that is, it is starting right from January and 12 months are there, and they have recorded the minimum and maximum temperature and the average rainfall throughout the year. So this is the climate chart where we are recording the annual average of the average temperature and average rainfall. Now it is very important to identify that what is the difference between weather and climate, because generally people keep confused about weather and climate. They think that they are the one and the same thing, but no, they are different. So weather and climate. So weather is a day-to-day atmospheric conditions of a particular place with respect to factors which are component of weather or element of weather such as rainfall, humidity, temperature, wind speed, etc. And climate is the average weather conditions of a place for a long period of time. Then that long period of time is like 25 years or 30 years. So we call it as climate of that place. So weather is changing day-to-day basis, atmospheric conditions are changing on day-to-day basis, whereas climatic conditions, atmospheric conditions are more or less same throughout the year. Weather conditions may vary in intervals of few hours or few days, whereas climate does not change so frequently. Climate keeps constant. Weather data are the observations recorded at a specific time, whereas climate refers to the average value of several elements of weather relating to period of more than 30 years. So weather data are the observation which are like temperature at a specific time, rainfall at a specific time, wind velocity at a specific time. So that will be the weather data. But in the case of climate, we take average value of these elements, like average value of temperature throughout the year or throughout 30 years, average value of rainfall for 30 years, average value of wind velocity for 30 years. So that will give us climate. So this was the difference between weather and climate. In our next class, we will be studying about the geographical factors which are affecting the climate at any place. Thank you.